Staying consistent and motivated. Maintaining motivation for mindfulness meditation can be challenging, especially when life gets busy or distractions arise. In this video, we will explore ways to keep your motivation alive and make meditation a rewarding part of your daily routine. Find your why. To truly commit to meditation, you need a deep, personal reason that is meaningful to you. Think about what you value most in life and how meditation can help you achieve those values. Reflect on the benefits you have already experienced, like feeling grounded, being able to focus better, and finding a sense of inner peace. Imagine where you want to be in the future. How do you see yourself in 5 or 10 years? What kind of person do you want to become? Create a vision of yourself that includes the benefits of meditation. This vision should be something you deeply care about, something that reflects who you are and what you value most. Consider what you value most in life, such as kindness, peace, or success, and see how meditation supports these values. Take some time to write down your thoughts about why you meditate and deep dive to uncover your true motivations. Create a mental map of your life, where you are now, where you want to go, and how meditation can support your journey. Reflect on your actions at school, at work, in relationships, and even how you relate to yourself. Consider how meditation can help you grow in each of these areas. Consider how meditation helps you manage suffering and become more compassionate towards yourself and others. By understanding your why and connecting meditation to your values and vision, you can maintain a strong motivation for your meditation practice and find long-term fulfillment in meditation. Here are 2 examples of what a mental map might look like. For a student, right now I struggle with focus and get anxious before exams. I want to become a calm and confident learner who studies with deep concentration and does not panic under pressure. Meditation helps me stay centered, improve focus, and manage exam stress. For a working professional, currently I feel stressed and overwhelmed by deadlines and responsibilities. In the future, I see myself as a mindful leader, calm, focused, and compassionate. Meditation helps me stay clear-headed, regulate emotions, and bring balance to my work and personal life. Set realistic goals. Setting small, achievable goals can make a big difference. Instead of aiming for long meditation sessions right away, start with just a few minutes each day. Gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable. Achieving these small goals can boost your confidence and motivation. Remember that consistency often comes from taking small, manageable steps each day. Rather than aiming for perfection, focus on showing up daily, even if only for 5 minutes. Each session, no matter how short, builds momentum and strengthens your meditation habit. By committing to these small steps, you will create a sustainable practice that grows naturally over time. Create a routine. Having a regular meditation routine helps build the habit. Choose a specific time of the day that works best for you, whether it's in the morning, during lunch break, or before bed. Consistency makes it easier to stick with the practice and makes meditation a natural part of your day. Make it enjoyable. Meditation does not have to be serious all the time. Find ways to make it enjoyable. You can meditate in a beautiful spot in nature, use a comfortable cushion, or listen to soft, calming music. When meditation is enjoyable, you are more likely to stay motivated. Join our community. Being part of a meditation community can provide support and encouragement. Join our meditation group and find a meditation buddy. Sharing your experiences and learning from others can keep you inspired and motivated. Track your progress. Keeping track of your meditation progress can be motivating. You can use a journal to note how you feel after each session or use an app to track your motivation streaks. Seeing your progress over time can be a great motivator. Reward yourself. Rewarding yourself is a wonderful way to stay motivated in your meditation practice. Celebrate your efforts and milestones to make the journey enjoyable. Meditation milestones are significant achievements or progress points in your practice. For example, a milestone could be meditating consistently for a week, reaching 10 minutes of uninterrupted meditation, or experiencing a moment of profound inner peace. When you reach these milestones, treat yourself to something special. It could be as simple as enjoying your favorite snack, watching a movie, or taking a relaxing bath. These rewards not only make the process more enjoyable but also give you something to look forward to, encouraging you to keep going. By acknowledging your progress and celebrating these moments, you reinforce positive behavior and make your meditation practice a more rewarding and fulfilling experience. Stay curious. Approach each meditation session with curiosity. Instead of seeing it as an obligation, view it as an opportunity to learn more about yourself. Notice how your mind and body feel and be open to whatever experiences arise. Staying curious keeps the practice fresh and interesting. Use reminders. Life can get busy and it's easy to forget to meditate. Use reminders to help you stay on track. Set alarms on your phone, place sticky notes around your home, or ask a family member to remind you. These little prompts can help you remember to make time for yourself. Reflect on the benefits. Regularly take time to reflect on the benefits you have gained from meditation. Notice how it has improved your mood, focus, and overall well-being. Reminding yourself of these positive changes can reignite your motivation. Remember that growth in meditation is often subtle and gradual. Sometimes the benefits unfold slowly and it may take time before you notice significant changes. Be patient with yourself and trust the process. Every session contributes to your overall progress, even if the effects are not immediately noticeable. With continued practice, these small, steady changes add up, creating a profound impact over time. Conclusion. Keeping motivation for mindfulness meditation alive involves finding your why, setting realistic goals, and creating a routine. Make it enjoyable, join a community, track your progress, reward yourself, stay curious, use reminders, and reflect on the benefits. With these strategies, you will find it easier to stay motivated and make meditation a rewarding part of your daily life. Thank you for your time and I see you in the next lecture.